Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again with another new fun project with Python. So in this project, we will convert any image into an Ascii image. Okay. For this, we will pick each and every pixel of our image and then replace it with Ascii characters. Okay. We will use a Python image library. So first, we have to import this library. Import PIL or Python image library. Then we will create a list of ASCII characters used to build the output text. Okay, we'll create a list of ASCII characters to build our output image. Okay, for this we will call this variable name ASCII characters and list. Okay, then at the rate pass our so this is our ASCII characters list, and after creating this list we have to just pick an image. Okay, so I will call this function as define main. Okay, so we will try to open an image. So we will attempt to open an image for this project. Now I'll create a path variable. So path equals, it will basically takes an input, enter the image path. Okay, enter the image path. Then we'll create a try block. Try to create an image equals pil dot image dot open. It will open the user given path and save the image into this image variable. Okay, now if the path isn't valid, then it will go to the accept block. Then this will shows that path is not valid. Okay, path is not valid. Then it will just simply return without showing any output. Now we need to convert our image into grayscale image. Oh, another thing, we have to resize our image and then convert it into a grayscale image. And then after converting it into a grayscale image, we will handpick every pixel and convert them or replace them with our ASCII characters list. Okay, so first we need to resize image. For this we will define a function. Let's say resize img for image, and we'll pass a variable image, and let's say we will create a new with variables, and let's say 100. Then our width and height will be image size. Okay, image dot size. Then we will calculate the ratio of our height and width of this image. Let's simply height by width. Okay, by width. Then we will create a new variable called new height. Okay, so for this we will just new width into the ratio, which will give us the new height or the respective height goes to our new width. Okay, then we have create another variable which is called Resize Image, which will resize our image image.resize, then new width and with a new height. Okay, and then return our this resized image, resized image. After resizing the image, the next thing to do left for us is to convert this image into a grayscale image. Okay, now convert the image into a grayscale image. Let's define another function to convert this image into grayscale. Let's say to gray, and we'll pass our image variable and the grayscale, let's say grayscale image equals let's say image dot convert. We'll pass L for converting this image into a grayscale image. Okay, and then return this grayscale image. Okay, now we will convert every grayscale image pixels into the ASCII characters. Okay, so we'll define pixel to ASCII, pixel to ASCII. Then it will also takes image as variable as parameter. Then we will create pixels equals image dot get data. Okay, which will fetch every pixels data into our pixels variable. Then we will create a variable named characters equals, we'll just join these ASCII characters and this pixels into our ASCII characters for pixel in pixels. Okay, we'll use list comprehension. Then it will return, just simply return our characters list. Okay, our characters list. Then we'll go back with our main function, where we call these functions to convert our image into an ASCII image. For this, we'll say let's create a new variable, new image equals to pixel to ASCII, call the pixel to ASCII, and then to gray function, and then resize image function. And after calling these three functions, we will pass our image variable. Okay, this image variable will be passed in this resize image, and then after resizing the image, it will pass to our gray function, which convert the colorful image into grayscale image, and then it will pass into pixel to ASCII, which will convert every pixel into ASCII characters. Okay, then we'll just create a formatting method, then which will count every pixel.cnt for count. Then we'll just simply length of new image. Okay, Then our Ascii image will be create a new line, and then dot join method, then we'll use list comprehension. Okay, let's say new image, and then pass our index and index plus new index plus new width. Okay, let's define this new width also here. New width equals 100. Okay, new width for index in range 0 to pixel count and new width. Okay, so the for loop will just work in the given range of our image or the given size of our image. Okay, now the final thing, just print the Ascii image. Okay, let's now call our main function. Then if we run this, it should show us the Ascii image of our targeted picture. Okay, test.jpeg. So this is our Ascii image. Okay, this is the original image and this is the Ascii image of our picture. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and happy learning.